With the union budget around the corner, everyone has an expectation. Tax relief, loan benefits, and economic growth. We ask our colleagues what they are hoping to see in this upcoming budget. Sir, what are your expectations from the budget for home loans, personal loans, or MSME credit?
Well, as per a normal individual or a layman terms, the expectation from this particular budget in terms of home loans, we expect low cost benefits or credits, and at the very same time benefits on tax saving on home loans. At the very same time, when it comes to personal loans, it's stable ROIs, and when it comes to MSME, it's more credit.
Sir, do you think this budget will focus more on middle class relief or a long term economic growth?
I believe budget 2026 is leaning heavily towards the long-term growth with a focus on manufacturing execution, infrastructure, physical consolidation to precisely hit, I think, about 4.4% of the fiscal deficit. I really don't see a tax bazooka coming around the corner as expected. But you can see an increment in the middle class disposable income by potentially 1 lakh, because we thought almost 12 lakh a non-taxable slab. So we won't see a much hike, but still increment in the disposable income of the middle class would be a good choice.
What is the one change you want to see in the budget that would directly improve your finance?
हायर एग्जेम्पशन लिमिट का सीधा मतलब है कैश इन हैंड रादर दैन यू हैव टू वेट ईयर एंड के लिए कि कब आएगा, रिफंड का वेट करना, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करना. तो आई थिंक एक मिडिल क्लास के लिए इट्स बेटर कि एग्जाम्पशन हो तो हमारे को सीधा कैश हमारे पास आए.
Which sector do you think will benefit the most from this budget and which one might be ignored again?
What I believe is in the forthcoming budget, the infrastructure, the servicing sector may receive much more boost from the government, as I believe the government is focusing on job creations. But what is not expected from the government, and what I believe that this may be also ignored this time, is this middle class salaried person. Mostly because I don't see any relief in coming taxations, especially considering the inflation rate and the rise in not keeping up with the salary expectations as well. So yeah.
And for more such informative content, follow PayMe.